Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my personal way of using the ThinTea Detox Blend and Fat Burn Blend 14-day package. And this is from the company ThinTea Detox Tea, which you can find on Instagram. Here is the first part of the package, the Detox Blend. So for optimal results, they encourage you to use the detox blend first with breakfast, and I have tried both individually, but I will show you in a minute how I personally have been enjoying both of these loose leaf teas. This one includes organic fennel seed, organic nettle leaf, marshmallow leaf, organic juniper berry, organic dandelion root, and organic rose petal. And this is what the inside looks like. It does feel, or you do feel your body after drinking this detox blend, that it has cleansed your insides. You feel energy, you feel good. Now, this is a different blend. This is the Fat Burn Blend, and it is advised to take just before dinner. And this is the second loose leaf tea, the second part of the whole process, but it does include organic ingredients like organic peppermint, olive leaf, dandelion leaf, hawthorn leaf and flower, coleus root, and organic cinnamon and organic root. And this also suppresses your appetite, speeds up your metabolism, and burns fat at the same time. So this is the sifter that it comes with. It is silicone and has a kind of stainless steel strainer in it. I personally like to use both at the same time. I was using them individually, but I noticed that the Fat Burn Blend was kind of suppressing my appetite, and I love food and I love working out at the same time, so I kind of just like mixing the two together. So it's half a teaspoon of each, and I feel that those results are more in my liking. I do add a little honey to my tea, and I have been enjoying this so far, and I will continue to enjoy it. So that was my video, guys. After you put in the hot water and sift it for about 3 to 5 minutes, you can enjoy your blends. This will last me for a long time. I do not drink it every single day, but I do enjoy drinking it most of the days, and it does make my body feel amazing before, during, after. And I do like to include this into my daily life and drinking cycle. So I do recommend it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it can. If you're interested in getting this, the website will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye guys!